In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your American Express gift card on eBay using the best method available. So whether you've received a gift card as a present or simply want to make the most out of it during your online shopping spree, I'm here to guide you through it. Let's dive right into the process. Before anything else, you need to start by shopping on eBay as you normally would. Browse through the myriad of items available, and when you've zeroed in on what you want, simply add the item to your cart. Once you have everything you need sitting in your cart and you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed. Click on the Go to Checkout button to move forward to the payment process. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the payment screen, you'll see the option to add a new card. This is a crucial step, so go ahead and select that. Here is where you'll enter your American Express gift card details. First, input the 15-digit card number. Make sure you enter these numbers carefully to avoid any errors. Following that, proceed to enter the expiration date, which can usually be found on the front of your card. Next comes the 4-digit security code, also located on the front of your Amex gift card. This acts as an added layer of verification. Now, here's a quick billing address tip that can save you some future frustration. If you're encountering any issues with your card being declined, don't worry, there's a simple fix. Visit the website balance.amexgiftcard.com. Once there, you can register a billing address using your zip code. Doing this allows your card's details to match during the eBay checkout process, which is often necessary for a successful transaction. Once you've registered this information and returned to eBay, you're ready for the final step. With all your card details in place and matched appropriately, click on Confirm and Pay to complete your purchase. If everything has been entered correctly, your payment should go through, and that's it, you've just used your American Express gift card on eBay. To recap briefly, starting from adding your desired items to the cart, proceeding to checkout, adding your card details, and ensuring your billing address is registered are the keys to this process. With these steps, you now have the know-how to seamlessly use your Amex gift card on eBay. I hope this guide was helpful and that your shopping experience is made that much smoother. If you have any further questions or run into any other issues, feel free to contact the card issuer for more support. Happy shopping!